Hare Krishna! Did you know that there are only 4 verses that cover the whole Bhagavatam?
Yes. When Lord Krishna gave the knowledge of Srimad Bhagavatam to Lord Brahma, he only said it in 4 verses.
And these 4 verses are called the Catuh Sloki Bhagavatam.
The first verse speaks about the Brahma Tattvam, the second one tells about the Jagat Tattvam, the third one about the Maya Tattvam, and the last one about the Atma Tattvam.
These 4 verses contain all the knowledge from the current Bhagavatam. Except it is very hard for the Kali Yuga people to understand the whole Bhagavatam in just 4 verses.
These 4 verses are in Srimad Bhagavatam and they are in 2nd canto, 9th chapter from verses 33 to 36. And now we are going to be reciting the verses and the translation. Aham eva sameva gre nanyadyat satya satparam paschadaham yate tacca yo viseshyeta samyaham.
Brahma, it is I, the personality of Godhead, who was existing before the creation. There was nothing but myself, nor was there the material nature, nor the cause of this creation. That which you see now is also I, the personality of Godhead. And after the annihilation, what remains is also I, the personality of Godhead.
Ritetham yat pratiyed na pratiyed chatmani tad vidyadatmano mayam yatha bhasho yatha tama.
O Brahma, whatever appears to be of any value, if it is without relation to me, it has no reality. Know it to be my illusory energy, that reflection which appears to be in darkness.
Yatha mahanti bhutani bhuteshu chavacheshvanu pravisthanya apravisthani tatha teshu nateshvaham.
O Brahma, please know that the universal elements enter into the cosmos and at the same time do not enter into the cosmos. Similarly, I myself also exist within everything created and at the same time am outside of everything.
Etavadeva jigyasam tattva jignasanatmanaha अन्वया वितरेकाभ्याम यत्स्यात् सर्वत्र सर्वदा.
A person who is searching after the Supreme Absolute Truth, the personality of Godhead, must certainly search for it up to this, in all circumstances, in all space and time, and both directly and indirectly.
So those were the 4 verses of the Catuh Sloki Bhagavatam. And now, that's all that we have for this video. Remember to like the video.
Make sure you share it with all of your family and friends so that they get the knowledge you just did.
And subscribe to our channel to support the Krishna Conscious Corner. And that's it for this video.
We will see you
in the next one.
Hare Krishna!